The significance of pH range in the effectiveness of chemical indicators. The significance of pH range in the effectiveness of chemical indicators. Chemical indicators play a paramount role in various scientific and industrial sectors. These substances facilitate the measurement and monitoring of pH levels in different solutions. pH, short for power of hydrogen, is a crucial parameter that determines the acid or alkaline nature of a substance. But have you ever wondered why certain chemical indicators are effective only within specific pH ranges? In this article, we will explore the significance of pH range in the effectiveness of chemical indicators. To understand the concept, let's first delve into the basics of pH and chemical indicators. pH is a logarithmic scale that ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Substances with a pH below 7 are acidic, while those with a pH above 7 are alkaline. Chemical indicators are compounds that undergo distinct color changes in response to variations in the surrounding pH levels. Chemical indicators are commonly used in laboratories, educational settings, and industrial applications where the accuracy of pH measurements is crucial. They are available in various forms such as litmus paper, universal indicators, and pH meters. However, not all indicators are suitable for all pH ranges. This discrepancy arises due to the unique chemical properties of each indicator and our behavior at different pH levels. Let's examine some common chemical indicators and their pH ranges of effectiveness. Litmus paper, one of the oldest and simplest indicators, provides a visual indication of whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. Litmus paper turns red in the presence of an acid and blue in the presence of an alkali. Yet, litmus paper is only reliable in the pH range of 4.5 to 8.3. Outside this range, litmus paper fails to provide accurate results. Universal indicators, on the other hand, offer a more comprehensive pH range for measuring acidity or alkalinity. These indicators consist of a mixture of several different dyes that cover a wide spectrum of pH values. They can indicate both the approximate pH level and the nature of the substance being tested. Universal indicators come in liquid or paper form and are effective across a pH range of 1 to 14. However, the precise color changes observed may vary depending on the particular formulation of the universal indicator. The pH meters used in scientific laboratories are highly sophisticated instruments that provide precise and accurate pH measurements. These meters utilize a combination of electrodes and sensors to directly measure the electrical potential of a solution. pH meters are capable of delivering accurate readings across the entire pH range, from 0 to 14. They are particularly useful in applications where a precise pH value is required, such as in pharmaceutical research or water quality testing. Now, let's consider the significance of pH range in the effectiveness of chemical indicators. Chemical reactions and color changes observed in indicators are often a result of molecular rearrangement within the indicator compound. Different pH levels drive these rearrangements, leading to alterations in the electronic structure of the molecule, which, in turn, influence the absorption and reflection of light. These changes are responsible for the observed color variations that indicate the pH level of a solution. Each indicator has a unique molecular structure, and specific functional groups within the molecule are sensitive to changes in pH. These functional groups experience protonation or deprotonation, AF. affecting the electronic distribution and causing the color change. The pH range of effectiveness of an indicator is closely linked to the range in which these molecular rearrangements occur. Outside O. At this range, the indicator compound either remains in its original state or undergoes unpredictable changes, rendering the indicator ineffective or providing inaccurate results. For instance, litmus paper contains dyes derived from lichens, which are sensitive to the presence of H+ protons and O hydroxide ions. In the pH range of 4.5 to 8.3, these ions cause the dyes T. O undergo reversible reactions, resulting in the observed color change. Beyond this range, either the dyes do not react at all or they undergo irreversible reactions, rendering litmus paper incapable of providing reliable results. Similarly, universal indicators employ multiple dye compounds with different pH sensitivities. These dyes exhibit distinct color changes within specific pH windows. The combination of these dyes produces a range of colors that correspond to various pH levels, allowing for a more accurate characterization of the solution's nature. Other indicators, such as phenolphthalein and bromothymol blue, are effective in narrower pH ranges due to the specific arrangement of functional groups within their structures. In summary, the significance of pH range and the effectiveness of chemical indicators lies in the specific molecular rearrangements that occur in response to changes in the surrounding pH levels. Each indicator compound has a unique structure and set of functional groups that determine its sensitivity to pH. The ability of an indicator to accurately reflect the pH value of a solution depends on T. He range in which these molecular rearrangements occur. Deviations from this range can lead to unreliable or inaccurate results. Understanding the pH range of effectiveness of chemical indicators is crucial for selecting the appropriate indicator for a specific pH measurement. Whether it's litmus paper, universal indicators, O, are sophisticated pH meters, each indicator has its own strengths and limitations. By matching the pH range of the indicator to the intended measurement range, scientists and researchers can ensure accurate and reliable pH readings in their experiments and industrial processes. In addition, the pH range of effectiveness of chemical indicators also has implications in various industries and applications. For example, in the field of agriculture, pH indicators are used to determine the acidity or alkalinity of soil. Soil pH plays a crucial role in the availability of nutrients to plants and the overall health of crops. By accurately measuring and monitoring soil pH, farmers can make informed decisions regarding soil amendments and fertilizers to optimize crop growth and yield. In the pharmaceutical industry, pH indicators are essential for the development and quality control of medications. The pH of pharmaceutical formulations can affect drug stability, absorption, and efficacy. Therefore, it is crucial to select indicators that are effective within the desired pH range to ensure consistency and reliability in the production of pharmaceutical products. Moreover, in environmental monitoring, pH indicators are utilized to assess water quality and pollution levels. Changes in pH can indicate the presence of pollutants or the degradation of natural habitats. By monitoring pH levels in bodies of water, scientists and environmentalists can identify potential issues and take appropriate measures to protect aquatic ecosystems. Furthermore, understanding the pH range of effectiveness of chemical indicators is essential in education and laboratory settings. Students and researchers rely on accurate pH measurements for experiments and scientific investigations. By using indicators that are suitable for the desired pH range, they can obtain reliable and meaningful data to support their studies and conclusions. It is important to note that while chemical indicators are valuable tools for pH measurements, they have their limitations. Some indicators may exhibit different color changes or vary in their sensitivity depending on factors such as temperature, concentration, and the presence of other substances in the solution. Therefore, it is crucial to consider these factors and calibrate or validate the results obtained using chemical indicators with more precise methods when necessary. The significance of pH range in the effectiveness of chemical indicators. Chemical indicators are substances that are used to measure and monitor the pH levels in different solutions. pH, or the power of hydrogen, is a parameter that determines whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. Different chemical indicators are effective only within specific pH ranges, and understanding the significance of pH range is essential to ensure accurate and reliable results. pH is a logarithmic scale that ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Substances with a pH below 7 are acidic, while those with a pH above 7 are alkaline. Chemical indicators undergo distinct call or changes in response to changes in pH levels. There are different types of chemical indicators, including litmus paper, universal indicators, and pH meters, each with their own pH range of effectiveness. Litmus paper is one of the oldest and simplest indicators. It turns red in the presence of an acid and blue in the presence of an alkali. However, it is only reliable within the pH range of 4.5 to 8. 3. Outside of this range, litmus paper fails to provide accurate results. Universal indicators, on the other hand, offer a wider pH range for measuring acidity or alkalinity. They consist of a mixture of several dyes that cover a wide spectrum of pH values. Universal indicators can indicate both the approximate pH level and the nature of the substance being tested. They are effective across a pH range of 1 to 14, but the precise color changes observed may vary depending on the specific formulation of the universal indicator.